It's different level. It sounds like a motorbike, bro. Welcome back YouTube to another episode of Fast Car Checks, and today I'm excited for this one because we've actually got a legendary motor, the first of a Skyline on this channel as well. So shout out to the owner. Skyline R33, fat turbo underneath, that's why we've left the bonnet open so you guys at home can actually see what's under that bonnet. This isn't an average one, this has been tuned as well, so it sounds absolutely lovely. So with that said, let's bring in the owner now and he's going to tell you more about this Nissan Skyline R33. So then Josh, welcome to the channel, mate. Do you want to tell us about this mental Skyline R33?
Right then, it's a 1996 R33 GTST. Engine's been built by HP Works, fully forged, head ported, bored out a mill. Slapped a fat turbo on it. It's got pistons, cams, springs, retainers, the whole shebang. It's all been done.
And turbo setup that you're running, yeah, you said it's obviously got a turbo.
Yeah.
What turbo is this we're looking at?
It's a G3900 Pulsar. 50mm wastegate, 3.5 inch downpipe, 6 boost manifold. I did the VAG coil swap because I did have Spitfires on there and they were just causing a nightmare. Aftermarket fuel pressure reg, injectors, 1000 cc's, Bosch, 3.5 inch all the way, Tomei exhaust, and then just fancy bits really, just bits here and there. The rest is all relatively standard, just uprated like oil cooler, alley rad, different trigger kit, just bits here and there really, but the engine's the one. It's all been done up like.
Okay, cool. So it's had the full works, and you said this is about 650 brake horsepower.
Yeah, it's 580 at the moment. It's on low boost, but high boost is 650. Springs and retainers are holding me back at the moment, but I got bigger ones. I got Kelfords ready to go in there. It's just on Tomeis at the moment. So 272 cams ready to go in, and titanium springs and retainers, and then send it all the way.
Okay, so today we're running 580 brake horsepower, and that's on low boost. Yep. 650 is what we can probably get to on high boost, and you're probably going to go later on for 800. So yeah, guys, I mean, like I said, as I promised, Skyline, this is the first one on the channel. So the lighting's getting dark, right? So as much as I would love to stand here all day and talk with Josh about this car, because it's an amazing car, I think the viewers at home, you guys want to watch this car be sent, right? So let's go. Right then, so we're starting off in low boost.
Yeah.
Are we going to be turning it up today?
We'll give it a go. The
Yeah.
tyres don't really grip.
Okay, yeah, so he's, oh, where's the seat? Oh,
It's a nightmare, it's down here.
okay, yeah. We're in the Skyline R33, yeah?
Yep.
And this is a GTS, isn't it?
Yeah, this is.
GTS. So what? So obviously I'm aware of what the RB26 engine is. That's a
25 this is.
So this is a 25, right?
Yeah.
So what's the differences for people at home watching now?
26 is coming to GTR, it's all-wheel drive.
Yeah. So that. What about the engine capacity?
26, 2.6, this is 2.5.
2.5.
But
Okay.
it's been bought out a mill now.
Yeah. Okay. And obviously they're twin turbo GTRs from stock.
Yeah,
aren't they?
it's just this is.
And this is a single.
Yeah,
so
that's
it's
it.
just basically single turbo.
Yeah.
And it's rear wheel drive. And
Yeah.
it's obviously slightly less power, isn't it?
Yeah.
And different components and internals in a bit, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah. that's
Okay,
it.
cool. And I'm just saying that straight down. And then like there's a good scent, to be fair. I'm just saying that just to reference people at home that might think this is a GTR or they
Yeah.
don't know the differences. But again, 600 brake, well, with 580 now, 650 high boost. This car is not to be frowned upon regardless of GTR, GTS, four wheel or real. This is gonna be mental. So, because it's dark, let's just get it. No talking. Wow! Oh my God! Wow! The way it sounds, bro.
Oh yeah, it's loud, isn't it?
It sounds like a goddamn motorbike, bro. If you turn in the right lane. No! Bro, stop it. This is naughty, man. Wow. Big turbo. Yo, bro, this is mad. Wow.
Go around again.
Just go up, use a good bypass up there. These old cars, mate, honest to God, I know some of the new stuff are easy to drive and I get the whole thing, I'm guilty of it myself, but this,
People don't realise like.
it's different level. No! No, bro, you're gonna make me get a Skyline. Jeez! Wow!
It shifts.
Bro, everything about this car is just mad. Wow, man. Like, usually we don't start like this.
No.
Usually we start, we talk, we chill. Bro just went straight into it. R33, 650 brake high boost, 580 low. Listen to it. Oh my days, man. Mate, is this 6 gears as well?
Five
gears,
yeah,
okay, yeah.
The GTSE's come 5 speed.
Yeah. Mate, just out of interest, because obviously people will be watching this video now. Not how much did you pay, but how much can you get these cars for?
It's a hard one. I paid 18 for the car, engine died, and then
Yeah.
I had to put a lot into
Yeah.
it. It owes me 40 to 50.
Yeah.
But if you know someone who can build an engine and stuff, it's different.
I can't believe that noise, man. Like, I know it sounds stupid, because it's like, it's a Skyline, what you expect, but it's just like, where I'm so accustomed to like, I mean, I got in a lot of cars, right? But again, like I said, I'm guilty of driving the newer cars, but and owning them myself.
Yeah.
And like, my car sounded nice, make no mistake, but this is different, bro. This is revving out the hell engine, bro.
Yeah.
This is mental. Manual pop, this is me.
It revs quite high for
Yeah, it does.
8.2 it revs.
And the tone is high on the car.
Yeah.
So it's not a low, like, do you know what I mean? It's like high revving.
Yeah.
This is a late night one, guys. As I said, usually half of the videos are in the daylight. Obviously, Josh has come down quite late, but again, it's Friday. I absolutely appreciate you, brother. So, if it's darker than usual, just bear with. At the end of the day, we're in a Nissan Skyline. It don't matter if it's dark, light, or if you can only hear this car. This is a monster of a car, man. So now we're in high boost, right?
Now we're in high.
Now we're in high boost, so we've got the full 650 brake horsepower now. And I'm not gonna lie, for a rear wheel drive car, this car does not
It grips
slip.
up alright.
It doesn't really slip. What tyres are we running?
It's not on, I'm borrowing wheels at the moment.
Okay.
So it's only on accelerators at the moment.
Bro!
See, they don't grip too well now.
Oh my god, but the way the car takes off,
Yeah, it just goes.
yo! This is
It's better
mad,
through a
innit?
pull high boost.
Yeah,
like, you know.
yeah.
Right
This is-
now, we're in fourth, and
Oh my god! And the... My man, this bro. The way it just, it's, mate. All of that is just, oh my God, man. You cannot beat this. You cannot beat this, man. It's like I said, like nowadays, the cars sound amazing, but this is just, this is what everybody growing up will remember.
Yeah, they want.
I mean, like I said, obviously there's new generation of people, there's younger generation.
Yeah.
I don't know how old you are, but I am
25, I am.
Yeah, so Fast and Furious movies. I mean, the newer ones not so much, but the first four, what a machine! And is it just flawless in terms of like, does it just run flawless? If you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's been sound since the engine was built. I've had no issues at all.
Yeah.
You get the odd bit here and there, but nothing related to
Yeah,
that. Like a leak or something, you know.
So yeah, it's come to that time of the video where we get the draggy out, we do a 0 to 60. It's manual, it's a bit older, so there's going to be a little bit more of a driving thing going on here. So yeah, obviously Josh is going to take it away whenever you're ready. Yo, so we done a 0 to 60 that time in 6.3, right? So I reckon we can definitely get a bit better. It's just if you want to launch it again.
I don't want to launch it.
We don't want to launch it. That's absolutely fine, right? However, as I said, it's a harder car to be able to just tank it, isn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, like I said, I wasn't expecting crazy 3.3s back round here, brother. Yeah, because obviously it's the car that we're in is a bit more harder to get that. Do you know what I mean? This is more of a 100 to 200 car.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Yeah. So as I said, like, obviously Josh has come down quite late, but again, it's Friday. I absolutely appreciate you, brother,
It's all good.
for coming down today.
It's a pleasure.
Mate, it's a pleasure of you, man. This is mental.